Good evening. Welcome to .programming.blogspot.com. Today, oh, if you want to learn programming languages via video tutorials, please visit www.programming.com. Spell don't miss. .progra single ming.com. So let's to open our notepad editor where we can write some theory concepts about the data type and integer types in C++. So what is the data type? Normally we can say about the data type is to display the type of the data known as data type. The type of data known as data type. Okay. Define the type of the data. Suppose I have a variable A and I have to define some values into the variable A like 10, 20, 30. These all values having denoted to integer types. So the integer is a data type. Okay. If we can take fractional part, if we should go for fractional parts, so we can define floating type. So C++ data types are classified as, so I have a diagram for the data types. So data type is categorized in the three parts. First of all is a simple data type. Second one is structured data type, and third one is pointer data type. So first one again categorized in the two parts, like the standard data type. Standard data type I have different types of standard data type like integer, float. We can take some value into the integer like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1 to infinite numbers, sorry, specified range, floating point number, and the character. So these are the standard data types. Some user defined data types also there. User defined data types like the structured enumeration, user defined data types, standard data types, and user defined data types, enumeration, or you can say enumerated. Okay, in the structured data types I have structured, union, class, etc. Array, struct, union, and last one is class. Now today I'm talking about integer data types and details about integer types. Further, consider all are data types. Okay, so first of all, I would like to share something about integer types. It's a basic it is a basic data type. We can assign any value which has no fractional part, or you can say decimal part, to integer type. Okay, there is no fractional part value we can take in the variable, so note it here. Int only take 2 byte memory space. Integer only take 2 byte memory space. It means 0 to 15 bit we can take inside it. Example 16 bit 0 to 15. So the range of the variable is minus 2 to the power 15 to plus 2 to the power 15 minus 1. It's a less than minus 1 in the positive sign, that is minus 32,768 to 32,767. It is the maximum range of the integer type if it take 2 bytes in the memory space. So now move to the second page. I have some integer are following types. Integer also categorized in the different parts in C++, like the short integer, long integer, unsigned integer, signed integer. Okay, so categorize in different part. First one is int, second one is unsigned int, third one is signed int, short int, fourth one is unsigned short int. Signed int. So follow I have a table the following types of C++. So mention in your notebook properly. Also I will define the bytes which is take by the memory. Int type take 2 byte, that is minus 32,768 to 32,767. Unsigned int takes also 2 bytes, but unsigned it means not take the sign, so 0 to plus positive 65,535. It's a range. Short integer takes 2 byte. Long integer takes 4 byte, so signed long int also take 4 byte. So we can say these data types in integer take more than int type values. So, okay, you can take more than value to int. Okay, so now again learn tutorials. Okay, move to the part in the C. The extension of the file is cpp c++ very.cpp. I have a program in which we have a variable a with the value as a 10. So remove this. oops, numeric keys are not updated. 32,767 is positive number, so support yes. The output is given 32,760. Oops, one error. Printf should have a prototype, so include stdi.h, standard input output file, hash include stdi.h. Save this, now compile, yeah, and run this file. Yeah, 32,767 is a number, is a last number, so now update it. 72,068 is the last. Oh, okay, 69. What does the output is taken? 32,067 minus is the value is 67. So if we increases the value in the positive, then negative value display. The last negative value according to specified range 70, so run is 66. If also increases 71, then decreases value is 65. 32,765 is the range, yeah, minus 32,016. okay, so now integer a equals to 32,767 is right. If 6 takes 68, then negative value is displayed in the output, like 32 minus 32,768 as the output. Okay, because the range of the integer type is 32,767 only, and I will take I have take 32,768 as a input, so output is in the negative, the last specified range, according to last specified range. You can see in the table, this is left given. If it takes 32,769, one incremented, then decremented in the negative value 32,767. if we take 70, then 32,766 is the output according to my C program, according to C library, according to C compiler. 71 is there, so the output will given in 65. 32,765 671, so output is 32,765 as the output. So you can check it, compile it, and run the program. Yeah, 32,765 is matched with my values. Okay, so if we increases the positive numbers, the last specified range of the negative integer number is displayed. Also decreases. If positive increases, that negative decreases. Okay, CLRS here. If we take minus 32,768, is the given output is right? Yeah, that is right. If also increases, then positive will display. Positive value will display 32,769, then 67 is displayed as output in the positive. Yeah, that is opposite. Actually that is opposite. If increases in the minus, then positive will display. If increases in the minus, then positive decreases. If increases in the positive, then decreases in the negative. That is exactly I want to say it to you. If a equals to minus 32,768 is the right value according to specified range. If we take 32,769, then output will given in the C plus 32,767 as the output. If we take minus 32,770 as input, then output will given decreases by 1 in the positive value. 32,766 is that display as output. So directly we can say positive increases, then output is decreases negative number. Positive increases, then decreases negative number. According to specified range is the last value. Okay, now that is the input positive and output is a input is a negative number and output is a positive number. Arrow denote that increases and decreases. So if positive increases as input, limit, cross, then decreases in negative number as input and output. You can check by your compiler. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Alt F for exit. So exit. That is my website. You can learn all programming languages.